How to start private session on Spotify. Firstly, navigate to Spotify and open your Spotify app. When opening the app, you will see an interface or homepage like this. But before that, open your Play Store and search for Spotify app. Look for any updates that may be available for the app Spotify. If there are updates available for Spotify app, then update those. If not, then open your app. In the Spotify homepage, you will see a layout like this. Now tap on your profile icon that is in the top left corner. Doing that will open additional settings to your account. From here, select the option Settings and Privacy. In Settings, you will see a layout like this. Scroll down and look for the option Privacy and Social. It may be named as Privacy Only or Social Only. Tap on it and your Privacy and Social will be opened. Here in the second number, you can see there's an option called Private Session. To turn on Private Session, you simply need to click on the switch icon that is right beside the option. Now here under Private Session, it says temporarily hide your listening activity from your followers. Private Session will automatically end after 6 hours. So that means that after 6 hours, you need to redo this process to activate your Private Session again. So this is how you can start Private Session on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. And that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.